This is Kevin, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a web server with Apache2 and show you that it's actually working. So and then this may be a two-part tutorial depending on my time. I will show you, if I run out of time next week, I'll show you how to just do some basic configurations on the server and some very small security changes. So in order to install Apache2, you obviously have to have internet access. And on the left here is my server, Ubuntu server, and on the right is my desktop, Ubuntu desktop, my clients. So let's I have to configure. I think I have a static IP address, so I'm just going to quickly configure that to be to fetch through DHCP. Sorry. Oops, Nano. You can use Nano or VR. I like Nano, and I just gotta uncomment that and then comment the rest and save it. And then I need to restart the interface. Let's see here. There we go. Sudo etc init.d networking and restart. Let's see what happens. And now hang on, let's just test if it got a different IP address, and it did, 172.1.6, and before it was on the 192.168.0.100 network, or 00 network. Anyway, so let's install Apache now. So sudo, to give you extra privileges, apt get install Apache2. Apache2. And you can see it's fetching the data, and well, I had previously installed this, so you will get an option. You'll see it's fetching the data, and it'll ask you if you want to continue, and you can say yes or no. You want to say yes. So now I need to go back to my interfaces and uncomment what I previously commented out. So uncomment this, and you want to comment out DHCP. Now let's restart our interfaces again. And I apologize if I'm not rushing, or if I'm moving at a quick pace through this tutorial. You can always just go back and pause and just look at the commands I used and what I did. So Apache should be running now. There's two ways we can test it. We can try restart it. Init.d, if you didn't know, holds your services. Let's restart it. And so we know that it's installed because it restarted, which is a good thing. So if we go back to our desktop and we open up Firefox or whatever you use, I want to set this back to bridged. So as soon as Firefox decides to open, it's running a little bit slow because I don't have much RAM on my MacBook. Any second now would be great, thank you. Oh my word. Let me see if I can show you some. Oh, there we go. Finally, thank you Firefox for joining the party. Okay, so So over here, we're going to enter the IP address of the server which has Apache2 running. So if you remember, I set the IP address statically, so it doesn't change over time. And ideally, you want your server to always have the same IP address. So when you set up DNS or you're trying to contact that server, it's not changing its IP address. So let's see if it actually works. If it does work, we'll get a page that says it works. And yay, it works. So let me see if I can show you some more stuff. One moment. So what else can I show you? I think for now I'm just going to leave it at this for this part of the tutorial. And next week I'll add onto this tutorial, I'll show you how to make some web pages and how to just, as I said before, just to do some basic configurations. So this will be part 1. Next week will be part 2. Thank you very much for watching.